Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on auto rotate screen setting and how to rotate our Vivo phone screen. Friends, you want to rotate your Vivo phone screen, so how to rotate and how to use this setting today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, click on your Vivo phone display and brightness setting. After that display brightness friends, you can see adaptive brightness friends. You want to on your auto brightness, so you can on from here. Second option is eyes protection friends. You want to on use your phone eyes protection, so you can on from here and you can off from here. So you should add friends, you should use at night when you operate your Vivo mobile. Friends, you can see dark theme. Friends, you want to enable dark theme on your Vivo mobile, so you can enable dark theme and you can disable from here. Friends, you can change your Vivo phone screen timeout from here. So friends, click on auto rotate screen. After on friends, come back and friends now use any app. So example guys, I will on YouTube app. Friends, you can see when I on YouTube app friends, you can see I can rotate my Vivo phone screen and I can use it. So like that friends, you can rotate your screen and friends you can use it your auto rotate screen setting on your Vivo mobile. So as now guys we will on Google app. So friends, you can see screen will rotate. So like that friends, you can use your auto rotate screen. So I hope friends you understood how to on and use guys auto rotate on Vivo mobile. And friends, you don't want to use, so friends click on your phone setting. Again friends, display setting, click here and friends auto rotate off. After of friends, your screen will not rotate automatic on your Vivo mobile. So like that friends, we can use auto rotate screen. So that's it again, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.